Welcome to the best picks. The best Cremas Antiarrugas is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products in the market, promising to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and many people are eager to find the perfect one that suits their skin type and concerns. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right anti-wrinkle cream that delivers real results without breaking the bank or causing irritation? In this video, we will review several top-rated Cremas Antiarrugas to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This daily moisturizer helps diminish the appearance of deep wrinkles and crow's feet. See smoother, younger-looking skin in just 1 week. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid to add plumping moisture. This helps hydrate and rejuvenate your skin's look. This cream contains retinol, a dermatologist-proven form of vitamin A. It effectively fights fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It's fragrance-free and gentle enough for daily use on all skin tones. It's also free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. This comes from the #1 retinol brand used by dermatologists. Make it part of your regular anti-wrinkle skincare routine. Experience the power of this anti-aging cream. It's time to unveil your most radiant skin yet. What we like. This cream uses a potent combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid to fight wrinkles and hydrate your skin. It's been dermatologist tested for efficacy and gentleness, making it suitable for daily use. If you're looking for a clinically proven anti-aging solution that's both effective and gentle, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a great moisturizer and has noticeably improved the firmness and texture of my skin. Had the most deep-seated forehead line I've ever had and started using this product. 1 month and I noticed a major difference but was still present. 2 months in and the line is almost completely gone. This retinol cream has a lightweight texture and absorbs fairly well. After a few weeks, my skin feels a bit smoother. Number 4. VELAMO Advanced Retinol Face Stick. This innovative stick smooths, brightens, and tightens your skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It's a multi-treatment balm that's gentle enough for all skin types. See visible improvements in just 4 to 6 weeks. It will leave your skin smoother, firmer, and brighter, with reduced wrinkles and uneven texture. Simply swipe it on, it's that easy. The convenient stick form ensures even application and minimizes product waste. Use it as part of your evening routine or for touch-ups throughout the day. It's made with natural, plant-based ingredients like retinol, jojoba oil, and squalane. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, so you can feel good about using it. We're confident you'll love it. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is always ready to help. What we like. This retinol stick offers a convenient and mess-free application. You'll see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and tone in just a few weeks. It's gentle enough for all skin types, making it a versatile choice for anyone. If you value convenience and quick results, this product is perfect for you. What people say. Older ladies unite. This is a great little tool to use around your eyes to decrease fine lines that develop for whatever reason. It feels incredibly hydrating and super easy to apply. Takes no time and stays on for a long time. This is my 3rd purchase of this eye cream, and overall, I'm quite impressed. It delivers on its promises, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines, providing a subtle lifting effect, and diminishing under-eye bags. My skin feels firmer and looks more refreshed after consistent use, which is exactly what I was hoping for. The texture is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave a greasy residue, making it perfect for both morning and nighttime routines. This retinol eye stick cream combo targets multiple concerns: dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, and fine lines. While compact, it delivers brightening and anti-aging benefits. Effectively tackles under-eye bags and provides noticeable improvement. Number 3. Retinol Hyaluronic Acid Cream. This cream nourishes your skin and minimizes the visible signs of aging. Use it day or night for continuous care and a youthful glow. It's a lightweight moisturizer that helps smooth your skin and promotes renewal, hydrating without a greasy feeling. Perfect for all skin types. With 1% retinol, it helps firm and tighten skin, minimizing imperfections for a more youthful appearance. See the difference over time. This collagen cream is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. The hyaluronic acid soothes and hydrates, while the retinol refreshes. It's designed to enhance your skin's radiance. Use it regularly to maintain and promote healthy, vibrant skin. What we like. This cream combines the power of hyaluronic acid for hydration with a lightweight formula that won't clog pores. It's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. If you need a hydrating and non-greasy moisturizer that combats wrinkles, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Love that it pumps out just the right amount and you don't have to put your fingers in the jar. Doesn't dry your face out or make you break out. At 72, nothing will make my wrinkles go away, but does smooth and moisten my skin beautifully. Great moisturizer. It isn't greasy and lasts a long time. You only need to use a 4-finger tip dabs forehead, cheeks, chin, and neck. Lasts over a month for me. Number 2. 8 Saints Cloud Whip. This daily moisturizer is your secret weapon for radiant skin. It hydrates, brightens, and protects against pollution, giving you a healthy glow. Packed with antioxidants, it fights free radicals, reduces the appearance of sunspots, and prevents discoloration. It's the ultimate defense for your skin. This lightweight cream absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling firm and dewy without any greasy residue. It's suitable for all skin types. It's formulated with vitamin C, MSM, vitamin B5, and borage oil for maximum effectiveness. It's cruelty-free and fragrance-free. We believe in simple, effective skincare. This cream uses 8 key ingredients to deliver visible results, without the hype. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day return policy. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. What we like. This moisturizer is packed with vitamin C to brighten and protect your skin. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling hydrated and radiant. If you prefer natural ingredients and want a daily boost of antioxidants, this is the one for you. What people say. The texture is super smooth and silky, and my skin feels instantly hydrated when I put it on, but even better, it stays soft throughout the day. Over time, I've noticed my skin feels more supple and looks healthier. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. After a few days of use, I notice my more radiant and even complexion. It glides on and sinks in like a dream. My face is moisturized and soft, not greasy. It makes my foundation sit better on my skin, I don't have any more peeling and it smells divine. I love that on top of all that it has antioxidants and vitamin C. Number 1. Brickell Men's Retinol Moisturizer. Experience the power of nature with our advanced retinol cream. It's designed to revitalize your skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This daily moisturizer helps diminish the signs of aging. See a visible improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this cream is formulated to work for you. It's gentle yet effective. We use a unique blend of natural and certified organic ingredients, including retinol and hyaluronic acid. It's kind to your skin and the environment. It boosts cell turnover and collagen production, leaving your skin looking smoother and firmer. You'll notice a visible plumping effect. As a leading men's skincare brand, we're committed to providing high-quality, effective products. Join the millions of men who trust us with their skincare needs. Use it every night as part of your skincare routine. For optimal results, pair it with a daytime moisturizer. What we like. This cream is specifically formulated for men's skin, using retinol and hyaluronic acid to reduce wrinkles and even skin tone. It's a fragrance-free formula that's gentle yet effective. If you are a man looking for an effective anti-aging solution, this is the cream for you. What people say. Works well, I can definitely tell a difference in the appearance of those lines and wrinkles in my face. My skin is pretty normal, maybe a little on the sensitive side. I'm happy to report that this cream, while I use it every other day, hasn't caused any issues with my skin. No breakouts, extra redness, or any sort of negative skin change through use. I hate face creams moisturizers that don't absorb and make your face feel like they've got this oily sheen on it. My face feels moisturized and definitely does not feel oily at all. This retinol moisturizer is solid. Lightweight, not greasy, and absorbs fast. Skin feels smoother and looks fresher after a week of use. No irritation or dryness. I love that it's fragrance-free. Just a clean, effective product that does what it says. First, it's lightweight, not greasy, and is easily absorbed. My skin has not felt anything but great after using it, no irritation whatsoever. It's only been a bit over a week and I can see the subtle improvements in my skin. Fine lines are less noticeable. My skin looks firmer and hydrated, and it has evened out my skin tone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.